online chemistry class. Today we'll be looking at past question on uh, alternative to practical chemistry exam. That is, this one is a SWOT analysis. In this SWOT analysis, we are given like online in every GCE exam, alternative to practical, you are not going to do the practical, but they will give you a table of charts of what has happened in the experiment. You are expected to fill in the gaps. What we have here is a test on C and D, an inorganic compound. We're expected to complete the chart here and then give our observation and inferences that we have them. Now, before we continue, I want you to subscribe to the channel in order to encourage us to do more. That's a way of making us know that you are there for us. So you just subscribe for us, subscribe to the channel, and then like, share. If you have any question to ask us, you can also leave your question there as a comment. We can always attend to you. Thank you so much for being part of this. So let's continue with what we are doing. Here we have the test. Say that water, C plus distilled water, we have a soluble. C is soluble salt. That means in the observation, what we have here should be what? Soluble. In this place, we have what? Soluble. C is what? Soluble. Since it's soluble salt. And the other one is say that C plus distilled water dilutes sodium hydroxide solution. We have white gelatinous precipitate dilute sodium hydroxide solution. It drops and then in excess white gelatinous precipitate. In the excess, it will be what? Soluble in excess. So what should be here now will be zinc ion or aluminum ion. What am I doing, sir? Aluminum ion and zinc ion likely present. So because these two amphoteric oxide ion is what can give us white gelatinous precipitate and soluble in excess sodium hydroxide. So the next one, we have a C plus aqueous ammonium solution in drops, and then in excess we have soluble. If it's soluble, the first thing that will come here in drops, we have white gelatinous precipitate. That will confirm zinc. Zinc is the only one that is soluble in what? Aqueous ammonia. Zinc confirms. Zinc is the only one that's soluble in aqueous ammonia. Now, in this case, tetranyl sulfur 6 ion. To confirm tetranyl sulfur 6 ion, we have two things we can use: barium chloride and then dilute hydrochloric acid. Mixing them together, then we'll be able to get what we want. Or alternatively, we can use barium triazonitrate 5 and what? Dilute nitrate 5 acid. Rather, we can use barium nitrate here plus dilute nitrate 5 acid. So by using it, now we will have white precipitate. Insoluble. So barium nitrate, that's what we are using. Even though barium chloride can be used, barium nitrate, triazonitrate 5 and triazonitrate 5 acid, dilute triazonitrate 5 acid will give us this effect. That's why precipitate, which confirm the presence of this. Now, the addition of that triazonitrate 5 is to eliminate the other one, triazo carbonate, which is also barium triazo carbonate, which is also white precipitate. In addition of this, it will dilute nitric 5 acid will eliminate that triazo carbonate and also eliminate triazo nitrate triazo sulfate for ion, which is likely to be here. All of them gives you one precipitate, but this other one, the precipitate remains when you add any of the acids, dilute hydrochloric acid or um, dilute nitrate 5 acids. No, note that we are using dilute triazole nitrate 5 acid because we are using barium nitrate. Is that okay? That's why we're using that. But if we are using barium chloride, we're going to use dilute hydrochloric acid for that test. So in this one, we come over to D plus distilled water. We have that insoluble salts, which means salt here is your what observation here we have here is insoluble. The observation is what? Insoluble, for us to have an insoluble salt in the inference. So in this other end of it, we have G plus CT, we have colorless, odorless gas evolve. Sunlight, water, milky. There's only one gas that can do that, which is carbon 4 gas. And because this is insoluble, it means that hydrogen triazo triazo carbonate 4 ions what absent. This one is absent, but rather triazo carbonate 4 ions were present. This is because there is no insoluble hydrogen triazo carbonate 4. There is no insoluble hydrogen triazo carbonate 4. Note this thing very well. These are some of the things you use to to prove your point and beyond every reasonable doubt in your exam. Now the other one, since we confirmed that, the next one we have here D plus dilute oh god D plus dilute sodium hydroxide solution in drop and in excess. We notice that we have a white precipitates insoluble which confirm calcium. Calcium is now confirmed. That is the end of the analysis. So now the most important thing you should always have in mind in order to get to actually rank high in this exam or to pass the exam, one thing you should know is that you should go back, note all the confirmatory tests for all the anions and cations so that you'll be able to stand it, you will have enough confidence to write the exam. So thank you so much for being this comment this far. Remember to subscribe if you have not, and then leave your comments, share and like. Thank you so much.